Are you looking for the best panel carriers? Carrying large panels can be a challenge. A reliable panel carrier simplifies this task, making it safer and more efficient. Whether you work in construction or are a DIY enthusiast, the right tool can save you time and effort. In this post, we review the best panel carriers available on the market. List number 1, Garage Pro Rocker Panel Carrier Compatible. Upgrade your Tesla Model Y with the Garage Pro Rocker Panel Carrier. Tailored for the 2020 to 2023 models. This front, passenger side part ensures a perfect fit and enhanced durability. Ideal for those seeking reliable vehicle protection. Crafted with precision, it offers excellent performance and long-lasting quality. Keep your car looking sleek and well-maintained with ease. Advantages: enhances vehicle protection against road debris and weather elements. Offers precise fit for 2020 to 2023 Tesla Model Y. Easy installation process saves time and effort. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Improves overall aesthetic appeal of the Tesla Model Y. List number 2, Sport Rack Vista XL Rear Opening Cargo Box. Discover the Sport Rack Vista XL Rear Opening Cargo Box in sleek black. This spacious cargo box offers 18 cubic feet of storage. Perfect for road trips or weekend getaways. Its aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance. Easy rear access makes loading and unloading a breeze. Durable and secure, it keeps belongings safe on every journey. Advantages: spacious design accommodates plenty of gear for family trips. Rear opening feature provides easy access to stored items. Aerodynamic shape reduces wind resistance for better fuel efficiency. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance in various weather. Simple installation process saves time and effort during setup. List number 3, Hydrant Solar Panel Storage Bag, Travel Backpack Compatible. Discover the convenience of the Hydrant Solar Panel Storage Bag, designed for easy travel. This backpack is perfect for carrying Jackery Solar Saga panels. With padded compartments, your panels stay safe and secure. Extra pockets offer space for accessories and personal items. Lightweight and durable, this bag makes outdoor adventures hassle-free. Advantages: easy transport, carry solar panels conveniently with the padded backpack. Organized storage, built-in pockets keep all accessories neatly stored. Durable design, strong materials ensure long-lasting protection for your panels. Compatible use, fits Jackery Solar Saga panels perfectly for seamless travel. Lightweight, simple to carry without adding extra weight to your gear. List number 4, Hydrant Solar Panel Storage Bag Compatible. Protect your solar panels with the Hydrant Solar Panel Storage Bag. Its padded design ensures safety during travel. Designed to fit Jackery Solar Saga panels perfectly. The double-layer carrier offers extra protection and organization. Comfortable shoulder strap makes carrying easy. Enjoy peace of mind with this patent design. Advantages: the Hydrant Solar Panel Storage Bag offers significant convenience. Its padded design ensures safety for your solar panels. The double-layer carrier provides extra protection during travel. Carrying is made easy with the shoulder strap. Lightweight, yet durable. Comfortable for long distances. Designed for compatibility, it fits Jackery Solar Saga panels perfectly. No need to worry about mismatched sizes. Patent design adds a unique touch to the storage bag. Stand out from the crowd. Ideal for travelers, it holds 2 battery panels securely. Keep your solar gear organized and ready. List number 5, Jidhudge V5 PC Back Panel Water Bag. Experience hydration like never before with the Jidhudge V5 Water Bag. Designed for tactical airsoft enthusiasts. It seamlessly zips onto your vest, offering easy access to water during intense activities. With a 3-liter capacity, stay refreshed and focused on the field. The sleek back panel fits comfortably, ensuring no distractions. Perfect for those long days in the outdoors. Advantages: keeps you hydrated during airsoft games. Holds 3 liters of water. Lightweight design ensures easy movement and comfort. Fits securely on tactical vests for stability. Durable materials withstand tough conditions. Convenient zip design allows quick access.